In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purge histories and clear your undo memory. If your project has started to feel sluggish or you've been doing lots of complex edits, this quick cleanup can help free up memory and keep things running smoothly. Think of it as clearing the trail of steps the software is holding onto in case you want to undo them. We're not changing your current artwork or document, we're simply removing the list of actions you could step back through. Here's how to do it. Look to the top of your screen and open the edit menu. From there, navigate to purge and then choose histories. This specific option targets only your undo states. You might also see other purge options like the clipboard or caches, but for this task, you're focusing on histories, so you only clear the undo memory and nothing else. The moment you pick histories, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is a safeguard to make sure you really want to proceed. Read the message carefully because this action is permanent. If you're certain you're happy with the current state of your document and you don't need to step back to earlier edits, go ahead and confirm. Once you confirm, the software immediately deletes all undo steps currently stored. That means the history panel, if you have it visible, will show only your current state, and the undo or step backward commands won't take you to earlier stages anymore. This is by design. After purging, any new actions you perform will build a fresh history from that point forward. A few notes to help you understand what's happening behind the scenes. Purging histories doesn't change the content you're looking at on the canvas or timeline. It only removes the path back to previous edits. It can reduce memory usage during long sessions, which is why it's useful when performance is dipping. If you try to access purge and the histories option is grayed out, that simply means there's nothing to clear at the moment. Keep in mind that once histories are purged, you cannot undo back to earlier states. If you're the kind of person who likes to retrace steps, make sure you're truly satisfied with your current result before confirming. Otherwise, this is a clean, safe way to lock in what you have and keep working with a lighter memory footprint. That's it. Open edit, choose purge, select histories, confirm, and you're good to go.